Welcome. In today's guide, I'll show you step-by-step how to send a video you just recorded as a GIF on the WhatsApp app for PC using the latest update. This is a great way to share fun, looping moments with your friends or groups right from your computer. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to chat. Next, enter the chat where you want to send your GIF. This could be a personal conversation or a group chat, wherever you want your animated moment to appear. Now, look for the attachment icon, which usually looks like a paperclip at the bottom of your chat window. Click it, and from the options that appear, select the camera. This will allow you to record a new video directly from your PC. Switch to video recording mode if it's not already selected. You'll see a video icon. Click on it to start recording. Capture your moment, but remember, WhatsApp only allows you to send videos as GIFs if they're short, typically under 6 seconds. So keep your video brief and to the point. Once you've got your shot, stop the recording. Now, look for the edit icon. This usually appears right after you finish recording. Click on it to open the editing options. Here's the key step. You'll see a GIF button or toggle. Click on GIF. If your video is longer than allowed, trim it down using the slider until the GIF option becomes available. Once you see it, select GIF. Finally, hit send. Your video will be converted and shared as a looping GIF in the chat, ready for everyone to enjoy. And that's it. You've just sent a custom GIF made from your own video, right from your PC using WhatsApp's new update. Try it out and add some extra fun to your conversations. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.